Hello everyone, it's Rita here, and it's time to pick the winner for the 5,000 subscribers giveaway. There's going to be a first prize, second prize, and third prize. So if you have left a comment on the video that says it was a Happy Meal and appreciation, subscriber appreciation video. And today is the last day that you can sign up for that. So actually it's over because it'll be Tuesday. And I need to pick the winner the day before. So I guess we'll just get started. The first place prize is 3 signatures journal. Second place is 2 signatures, and third place is 1 signature. Okay, so let's just go and see who's got first place. I was going to go third to first, but we'll do it this way. So I've got everything in my iPad, and I'm going to start. Thank you always, all of you, for your comments and your subscriptions and all of that to get 5,000. It took me a long time to get there, but I am so excited about that, and it just gives me incentive to just keep moving on. So I am also taking this week off from videos and trying to get some things organized. I have not got that much done yet, but I'm working on it. So, okay, let's start. First prize. 3 signature journal. Start. Did I push start? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, hold on. I don't know what's happening here. I know I have the right video. Yes, everything. Oh, I have to answer this. Okay. To have you solve a puzzle, it's all right. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay. Okay, so there's 59 comments. Now I'll start. There we go. It is G.E. Dart Creations. So G.E.D.A.R.T. Creations 2869. And it says, hello, Rita. I am pretty new subscriber and very happy to be one. I would feel honored to own one of your journals, your journal creations. Thank you for this generous, let's see what else she said. I suppose this is going to take me out of that now. Thank you for this generous offer. I love all things journal, but if I had to choose a gender or theme, I would choose retro. Okay, so I'm going to write here who the first person was. It's G-E-A-R-T-C-R-E-A-T. Ends and retro. Okie doke. So let me go back, see if I can do another one. So congratulations, and that's great that you're new. Let's see if I can do it again. Can I do it again? Let me have to start over. Okay. I'm sorry, you guys. I never did more than one person. Okay, I got to solve the puzzle. Okay. It keeps everything is at the bottom of the screen, so there we go. All right, Heart to Home Crafts with Joanne, and she says, congratulations, I would love a floral or botanical. Above that, having a journal you made would be a true win. All right, there's a lot of people that I don't know that watch my channel, and this is one of them. Heart to Home Crafts with Joanne. Okay, Joanne, congratulations. You're going to get a, oh, I want to write, what'd she say? Floral, botanical. Okie doke. Thank you, Joanne, for joining me and watching me and subscribing. And yeah, so I can do a floral botanical. I love doing this. I'll go back up here to the first one, retro. Now, I'm not sure what she means by that. So when you hear this message, email me or put in comments what you exactly mean by retro. You know, there's all kinds of things that are retro. So, okay, now let me see if I can get the third place winner. I have to go back up here. Let's see if this works. Number 9. Okay. All right, you guys, hold on. There's so many ads on this. Okay. There's that. Okay. And I solved it. You know, I'm afraid one of these might be, you know, like you can only do without paying for it. So let's see. And you probably can't see what I'm doing, but I am just flipping through this. I think they think I'm still... Okay, start raffle and pick a winner. I'm going to take this out. And let me repaste it. Okay. Finally, we had to start over. See, they probably only let you do a couple at a time or something. Okay, let's do it one more time. Let's see who we find. Okay, this is a user. It's USER-VU2VF3KW3R. Okay, so congratulations on your milestone of 5,000 subscribers. My favorite journals are eclectic ones where the journal maker creates whatever they want. Okay. User VU2VF3KW3R. And she wants eclectic. All right, and that would be for one signature. All right, guys. Well, these are it, and I will give you until you know, I pick up my little calendar and I move it, and then I don't know where I moved it to. So let me go to my calendar. On here. Do I have a calendar? Gosh. Okay. Today is tax day, by the way. I will go through the 19th. Friday the 19th. So if you have not contacted me by Friday the 19th, I will call new numbers on the 20th, okay? Or new names. Okay, so that's April 20th. Because, you know, I can only give you guys so much time to do this because it's not fair to everybody else if you're not going to respond. You need to respond as soon as possible, okay? So good luck to all of you that have been called, and I hope to hear from you, and I'll get started on your journals. So this one, retro, that's going to be fun. I saw that when she posted it, and I thought, oh, what a good idea. And I'm probably going to take a lot of your ideas for future journals, you know, because obviously there's certain things that you guys like. So that's good. I'm sorry. My stomach is not well today. My leg is not well today, but I wanted to get this video up. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much, all of you, for subscribing. And I wished everybody could have been a winner. I wished I could always give you guys something, but it's just impossible to do that. So have a wonderful day. Bye.